What you want? What you want?
Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning, and we got ourselves a blizzard on the way. It's supposed to start this afternoon around 1. Not supposed to get real bad until after 5 o'clock tonight, so obviously basketball practice is going to be canceled. And it's supposed to go all the way through Wednesday. I've heard anything from a foot of snow all the way up to 41 inches. So this could be a good one. They're calling it, saying it could be a historical storm. I hate snow. I absolutely hate it. So right now I'm warming up my truck, trying to get into work, and I'll let you know. I'll show you a video. Hope to have video throughout the whole storm. So I will get back to you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you throughout the day. Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick update. It is right now, what time is it? 11:45, and I'm in work in Providence, and it's cold out there, and I just went out a few minutes ago, and it's starting to snow, very, very lightly. They're still calling for a major storm coming up. They are saying it's going to be 20 to 30 inches of snow, which is absolutely mind-boggling. 3 feet of snow, it's up above my waist. So, just got to deal with it. Saying it's supposed to last all the way into Wednesday. I just don't like the snow. Can't stand the snow. So, I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. Let's see, get in a black area. See if we can pick up some snowflakes there. They originally were saying noontime for the snowstorm, for the snow to start. I just checked the local news station, and they're saying now that it's going to be after dark when it's going to get real heavy. So I figured between 4 and 5 o'clock. So I'm going to keep an eye on the weather, or the snow actually. And if it starts snowing hard, I'm out of here. I can't get stuck in Providence. I have medicine that I have to take that's at home. I don't have any with me, so if I was stuck here, it would not be a good thing. Sorry for the heat register above me. So we'll play it by ear. Just keep an eye to the sky. They've pretty much already told us that we're not going to be in here tomorrow, so I'll be home. If the snow was bad, I wasn't coming in anyway. It's not worth it. The latest forecast is pretty uniform through most of the channels. Is they call them for 20 to 30 inches of snow. So basically 2 to 3 feet of snow. Like I said, the last time I remember getting that much snow, it actually was once. It was April 1st, I think it was 1997. We had it, they called it the April Fool's Day storm. And I remember that was a strange storm because it was dependent on where you were. If you were inland a little bit, the difference, see if I remember correctly, difference of like 10 miles meant the biggest difference. Like, I lived in Pawtucket, and we got about 2.5 feet of snow there, maybe 3 feet of snow. If you were in Woonsocket, which is about 10 miles away, you got over 4 feet of snow, and it was heavy, wet snow. So the one thing that's going to save us with this storm a little bit is it's not the heavy, wet snow. It's so cold out that it's going to be powder. So be a little bit lighter to move, but there's still going to be a lot. I'm sorry, 3 feet of snow is a lot. I've got the 4-wheel drive truck. Hopefully I don't have to go out, but if I have to, I have to. My biggest fear with this storm is it's supposed to get very windy, and I hope we don't lose power. As we lose power, we have no heat and no water. So that's pretty dangerous for us. And I got a feeling once this storm cranks up, if the power goes out, it's going to be out for a good 12 to 16 hours. I don't want to stop popping pipes in my house, freezing and everything, but because what they're saying is after the storm it's going to get frigid cold, where we're going to be in single digits for high temperatures. So, but I'll keep you up to date. I'm going to try to film all day tomorrow, throughout the storm, show you what's going on, and I will get back to you when I'm leaving here or if situation changes. So if you're in the area, just be prepared. Make sure you have enough food, If you're in a situation like I am, make sure that you have plenty of blankets to stay warm. And if you have to close off an area of your house, you close off an area of your house. But just be safe and don't go out tonight if you don't have to. It's not worth it. Unless it's a life-threatening matter, stay home. Hey everyone, just right now I'm just watching a press conference from the governor of the state of Rhode Island, and they have issued a state of emergency starting tonight at 8 o'clock, going through all day on Tuesday. So I guess this storm's going to hit. I guess we're not going to get lucky and have it miss us or have it turn to rain. But so right now, like I said, I'm watching it on the internet.
Safely, our crews cannot go up in those.
Okay, so they're talking about power outages, 60-mile-an-hour winds, and 2 to 3 feet of snow. So it's going to be a big one. So I'm going to get out of here soon because it's starting to snow pretty good. Get home, get with my family, bunker down, and hopefully we don't lose power. So I will keep on giving you updates as I get them throughout the day. But as of right now, it still looks like the 20 to 30 inches of snow is what they're calling for. There's a state of emergency in Rhode Island starting at 8 o'clock tonight, going all day tomorrow. Pretty much everywhere has a pocket ban, so don't get your cars off the street. And they're saying don't go out if you don't have to. Other thing is to check on the elderly, check on your neighbors, make sure that everyone's safe. So, like I said, I'll keep you updated if anything else changes. Hey everyone, just got the word from my bosses. We're out of here at 3. Not coming in tomorrow. There's a state of emergency in Rhode Island, so obviously not. And then we're coming in for noon on Wednesday if the roads are passable. So that's where I stand at work right now. So I'm just packing up my computer right now and going to head home. So I'll get back with you in the truck while I'm warming it up. Hey everyone, it is a little bit after 3, 4 minutes past 3, and I'm out of work. Snow's starting to come down a little bit harder right now, so they let us go. Oop, I got a call coming in, I'll let you go.
Reports of this storm, and all will contain important safety information. It's currently Monday afternoon, January 26th. All information in this and any following messages will be outlined on the Town of Burrillville website, www.burrillville.org, and on the Burrillville Police Facebook page. The most recent forecast is now calling for upwards of 36 inches of snow and high winds in our area. The worst of this storm is expected to hit after midnight. The parking ban is already in effect for the Town of Burrillville and will remain so until further notice. It's imperative that any and all vehicles are parked safely off the roadways. Violators of this parking ban will be towed. Trash and recycling pickup has been canceled completely for Tuesday and Wednesday. Do not put your collection bins out on the street. Regular collection is scheduled to...
All right, so that's where we stand now. Now they're calling for up to 3 feet of snow, so I better get the heck out of here. I will get with you guys once I get home because it's starting to get nasty. So I will see you when I get home. Hey, quick stop here in Lincoln. I had to pick up some soda, make sure I have soda for the next couple of days. It's starting to pick up a little bit. Snow is starting to come down. Highways are horrible. People driving like 20 miles an hour. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to head home. It normally takes me 20 minutes from here. I'm expecting about 35. So it's quarter to 4 right now. I'll see what time I get home. Hey everyone, it is 10 minutes of 5. I just got home. Roads are getting slippery, but people are driving extremely slow on the roads. So they're taking it easy, but I think they're overdoing it a little bit. Right now we got maybe a half an inch of snow on the ground. It is powder. It's still very cold. It is 21 degrees out here. And it's supposed to get worse. So right now there's state of emergency in the state of Rhode Island. There's a travel ban at 8 o'clock. You cannot go out on the roads after 8 o'clock tonight. They turned around, and if you are caught driving after 8 o'clock, first of all, you're a moron if you are. But second of all, it is a misdemeanor. They will arrest you if you drive and it's not an emergency. Just waiting for the storm to intensify. They're saying probably about 8 o'clock tonight it's going to pick up. Right now it's not really doing that much out there, so we'll see. For me, I don't have work tomorrow, and I don't have to be at work till at least noontime on Wednesday, so we'll see how it works out. So I'll get back to you as the storm ramps up, or if anything else changes, to let you know what's going on. Hey everyone, it's late. It's about 12:30, actually 12:45 right now. We are in the height of the storm right now. It is snowing very hard out right now, and the wind is gusting really bad. So they're still saying we could get up to, they've knocked it down a little bit. It was 36 inches. They're saying about 24 inches of snow now. So I'm going to try to go get some sleep in case we do lose power. I'm hoping that we don't, but if we do. But from what they're saying, the storm's supposed to last all day tomorrow also, and end on Wednesday morning. So Rhode Island, like I said, is in a state of emergency. Cannot drive, cannot be on the roads all day tomorrow. Which I think you're nuts if you try to go out on the roads tomorrow. But I'm going to head to bed right now. I'll get with you first thing in the morning when I get up, show you how much snow we have, and show you how hard it's snowing. Like I always say, you can follow me on Facebook, subscribe to my Twitter feed, go to my website, which is markplant.com, or subscribe below. Alright, and I'll show you tomorrow. I'm going to try doing some shoveling in the morning, get a little bit of the snow. They're saying there should be about a foot of snow on the ground by the morning. So I'll get back with you tomorrow, and like I said, I hope power doesn't go out.
What you want?